for breakfast we have muffins. I don't know what any of them are.
This is really good.
Thanks, Mom.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink and
I forgot to film myself talking while we were at the lake, but I think that was because there were so many people there. But it's really pretty and the water is like green and blue. You can even see it on the camera. Now we're going to the other side of the lake, I think. Kind of tired. There were toilets. There was no toilet paper. It was like a pit toilet and it was disgusting. It was actually like pitch black in there, so my mom went with me and she put the light on, which was very helpful.
Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that
we're at the end of the trail. My hands are freezing. I think I stepped in that. That's gross.
our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire, that I love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see?
Saw a waterfall. So exciting.
On par.
One more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Having peanut butter sandwiches.
I never got any pajamas.
Hi.
We're here at like 11:25 and our boat ride is at 12 o'clock.
So we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
The one like waterfall thingy we stop at is man-made. Actually, maybe the other ones are man-made too, but like this one you can tell. My hat's gonna fall off. Hello, we saw a bighorn sheep. Oh, it's literally right here. We saw that. And then I tried to airdrop it to people. I only airdropped it to one person. And then some other people declined. That sucks for them. We're in the snow now. I don't know how we're supposed to do this, but it seems like everybody is doing it. As you can see. That kid just fell.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight.
Wow.
It worked.
This is harder than it looks. I'm sliding everywhere. There's this family that keeps falling down and the kid keeps falling down and he's just like, shut up, get up. It's really funny and entertaining. There's balls. Her hat is falling.
Okay, you ready?
Gotta go.
Champagne glass tonight, we toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah. Yeah, we'll drink anybody
Wait.
ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you what.
I thought I didn't film that part, but I did, so don't worry. You're gonna have a process of doing this. You just kick your heels in, like the whole entire time. Mom and Dad up there, there's people sledding. Really fun.
Did you see the spiral though?
Yeah, I did. I don't know if the camera did. What? Why didn't you fall? Ah, I didn't fall either.
Fuck.
We'll drink anybody ocean. It's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our
Dirty car. Very windy. The window was left open. Probably by me because it's my window. Now we're going to Lake McDonald and wait for the sunrise. I mean sunset. But we did it. We did that hike and it was really tough, but we did it. Slid a lot of times. Got some of it on camera. Addison, how did you survive?
Retrobable.
Retrouble. He had this Huckleberry energy drink.
It was so good, and it
I don't know
kept
if I
me
filmed
awake.
it, but it was really good.
It kept me awake.
He like passed out, like after
During
one
the
hike.
car ride, and then
Yeah.
I drank it, and I was like, "Oh, Luke, can you move your jacket?"
No. No. I took a nap for like an hour, and then I woke up, and now we're at a falls, McDonald Falls. We're almost to Lake McDonald.
end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see?
We're now at Dairy Queen, but
A lot of stuff.
oh, so I'm super excited because I'm starving. It's 10 o'clock right now. Got our bridge. Wait, is this? Oh,
There won't be one more time.
this is really hot. Hello. That's the end for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. My eyes, I think they're sunburnt because I didn't have sunglasses for like half of one of the trails, maybe even more. But like, it was in the snow and the sun like really reflected off of it, so that's not very good, and they really hurt, but whatever. Tomorrow we're going to Mini Glacier, I think, and I think we're also going to St. Mary Falls, which is on going to the Sun Road in Glacier National Park, because we didn't get to do that yet. We just got home at like 11 and everyone took a shower before me. So I'm the last one taking a shower and getting ready for bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.